How to add link in Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can go ahead and check out your Instagram application in your device. Make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now in here, at the bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Then tap on Edit Profile. Under bio, you will see the option of Add Link. Go ahead and click on it. If it is your Facebook profile, tap on Add Facebook Profile. If not, tap on Add External Link. Now, firstly, in the URL field, go ahead and paste your link. Then in the title section, go ahead and type in the title. Then click on the tick mark. Wait until it is up to date. After you have been notified that it has been added in your bio, you can go ahead and you can check it out. Now, anyone of your audience or your follower or the one that you are following can check out your profile and click on this link. And they will be redirected to where the link is intended to. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.